Imagine a child's face lighting up with joy as they unwrap their favorite toy or game. Now imagine being the person behind that happiness and building a successful business in the process. The global market for children's toys and games is enormous, with parents constantly seeking quality products to entertain, educate, and inspire their kids. In this video, I'll take you through 12 actionable steps to start and grow a thriving toy and game store. Whether it's selling educational toys, interactive games, or classic favorites, this guide will help you turn your passion for children's products into a profitable business. Let's dive in. Step 1. Research the children's toy market. Before you start selling toys, it's essential to understand the market dynamics. Research will guide you in selecting the right products and targeting the right audience. Analyze current trends in the toy industry, such as STEM toys, eco-friendly options, and interactive games. Identify your target audience, parents, schools, or even grandparents buying gifts. Study competitors like Amazon, Walmart, and specialty toy stores to understand what works and what doesn't. Research lays the groundwork for a successful toy store by helping you identify opportunities and avoid common pitfalls. Step 2. Choose your niche. Focusing on a specific niche allows you to stand out in the crowded toy market. Examples of niches include educational toys, vintage games, or toys for toddlers. Pick a niche that aligns with your interests and has strong demand. Ensure your niche isn't oversaturated to avoid unnecessary competition. A well-defined niche helps you attract a loyal customer base and position yourself as an expert. Step 3. Source quality products. The quality of your toys and games will directly impact customer satisfaction and repeat sales. Partner with reliable suppliers or manufacturers who comply with safety standards. Test your products to ensure durability, functionality, and safety for children. Consider stocking eco-friendly and sustainable options to appeal to conscious buyers. High-quality products build trust and encourage repeat purchases. Step 4. Create a memorable brand. Your brand is what makes your toy store unique and recognizable. Develop a playful and child-friendly brand name and logo. Use bright colors and cheerful imagery in your branding materials. Craft a tagline that resonates with your target audience, like bringing joy to every playtime. A memorable brand creates a strong emotional connection with your customers. Step 5. Build an online presence. An online store is essential for reaching customers in today's digital world. Use platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy to set up your online store. Organize your products into categories like toys for toddlers or board games for families. Include detailed product descriptions, high-quality images, and customer reviews to boost credibility. A well-designed online store ensures a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Step 6. Prioritize safety and compliance. Safety is a top concern for parents when buying toys for their children. Ensure all products meet safety regulations, such as ASTM or CE standards. Provide clear warnings about age-appropriate usage and potential hazards. Regularly update your product catalog to include safe, innovative options. Prioritizing safety builds trust and reassures your customers. Step 7. Develop a pricing strategy. Your pricing strategy should balance affordability with profitability. Research competitors' pricing and position your products competitively. Offer discounts on bundles such as buy 3 board games, get 10% off. Highlight the value of your toys, such as educational benefits or durability. Strategic pricing attracts customers while maintaining healthy profit margins. Step 8. Leverage social media for marketing. Social media is a powerful platform for promoting your toy store and engaging with your audience. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to showcase your products. Share fun, engaging content like unboxing videos, playtime tips, or user-generated photos. Collaborate with parenting influencers to reach a broader audience. Social media connects you with your audience and drives traffic to your store. Step 9. Host community events. Community events are a great way to build relationships and showcase your products. Host toy fairs, game nights, or playtime workshops in your local area. Partner with schools or community centers to reach families. Offer free demonstrations or discounts during events to attract attendees. Community events create a personal connection and boost brand awareness. Step 10. Offer exceptional customer service. Exceptional service is key to building a loyal customer base. Respond to inquiries promptly and resolve complaints effectively. Offer flexible return policies to instill confidence in your buyers. Send personalized thank you notes or follow-up emails after purchases. Excellent customer service turns one-time buyers into lifelong supporters. Step 11. Run promotions and giveaways. Promotions and giveaways create excitement and attract new customers. Host seasonal sales such as back-to-school toy deals or holiday game specials. Organize giveaways on social media to boost engagement. Offer exclusive discounts to loyal customers or email subscribers. Promotions generate buzz and encourage customers to make a purchase. Step 12. Scale your business. Once your toy store is running successfully, it's time to expand and grow. Introduce new product categories like outdoor toys or digital games. Partner with retailers or distributors to reach more customers. Invest in paid advertising to drive traffic to your store. Scaling your business ensures long-term growth and profitability. Congratulations! You now have a complete roadmap to open a successful store for children's toys and games. By following these steps, you'll not only bring joy to countless families but also create a thriving business that stands the test of time. If you're excited to explore even more ways to earn money online, check out my next video. Click the link on your screen, and I'll share additional strategies and ideas to help you build your dream business. Let's keep this journey going.